In today's edition of crazy ham stuff you can do and no one knows why, I've interfaced an ICOM IC725, the lovely tank. I've interfaced it with the Raspberry Pi, which might not seem like anything too special until you consider this is how it's interfaced. So this is just basically a prototyping hat that I'm pulling off serial and power from. And somewhere in this breadboard, right in the center of it all, is a 7404 hex inverter. Hex inverter basically just means it inverts its input signal, and it has 6 sections. A couple of resistors for pull up, pull down. There's a resistor divider network back here. The reason you have to do this is because not only is CIV strictly a one-wire interface, as you can see here, kind of when it focuses. There's this one wire, is literally just a ground and a signal wire. But there's also a difference in level, because the CIV is 5 volts and Raspberry Pi is 3.3. So that's all this is. This is just well, I have the schematic right here. It's literally just a 7404 with some resistors, and it's wired up in a way that it can do the level adjustment and everything else required for communication. So here's my command line I'm using to test. It's just rig control. You can see I've had previous output from making sure it still works. I can read the frequency, which as we know is 7.2. Oh, nope, I'm changing the frequency. We'll change it to 7, we'll go to the other lid frequency, 14.313.000. The radio automatically switches up. We're in the wrong mode. I need to go to USB mode. And I have a fixed pass band of 2300. So now we're in the right mode. If I want to go back, I can read the current mode, or the current frequency. I can read the current mode. This is basically all I really need out of my project ultimately is to just feed stuff. So there we go.